I click on Edit Your Regex Library, and at the bottom right of the dialog that opens, there's the Import Library command. I click on that, and then I go find the XML file, the exported library, that I want to import. I've recently moved my work to a new computer, and unfortunately I forgot to install my Regex Assistant libraries in MemoQ on that new computer. So today we're going to see how to import an exported Regex Assistant library. And here's the library that I'm going to import. To do that, in MemoQ, we need to open the Regex Assistant. There are a number of ways to do that. In the working grid, the easiest way is to go to this settings icon, click on it, and mark the checkbox to use regular expressions. And you'll notice that when I marked that checkbox, a small RX icon appeared in the filtering fields for the source text and the target text. And to open the Regex Assistant, I simply click on one of those icons. Once the Regex Assistant is open, I click on Edit Your Regex Library, and at the bottom right of the dialog that opens, there's the Import Library command. I click on that, and then I go find the XML file, the exported library, that I want to import. And here it is again. I select that. I click Open. Okay, it shows me a list of all of the different stored expressions that I've got. There's 160 something of them, I think. And of course, I can select or deselect as many of these as I want. If I only want to import the expressions that have to do with BB code tagging, I can just mark those, and only those 3 expressions will be imported. But I want to import everything, so I'm going to mark everything. Yeah, there's 168 of them. And click Import. And now I have 168 expressions that have been added to my library by importing that XML file that I exported from my Regex Assistant library on the other computer. Okay, and there they are.